Title: How to use Amazon AI Alexa, Full Guide 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use Amazon AI Alexa for shopping on the Amazon website and Amazon Shopping app. You'll learn how to ask product questions, compare items, get personalized recommendations, and shop smarter using Amazon's latest AI assistant. Amazon has introduced Alexa for shopping, an AI assistant built directly into the Amazon website and Amazon Shopping app. It combines the shopping intelligence of Rufus with the personalized capabilities of Alexa, allowing you to search for products using natural language instead of just typing keywords. To get started, open the Amazon website in your browser or launch the Amazon Shopping app, then sign in to your Amazon account. On supported accounts, you'll find Alexa for shopping integrated into the shopping experience, including the search bar or AI chat interface. Simply tap or click the Alexa option to begin chatting with the AI. Now, instead of searching with simple keywords, ask complete questions. For example, you can say, "What's the best wireless mouse for office work? Compare the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S26. Find a coffee maker under $100. Or recommend a laptop for video editing." Alexa will analyze your request and provide product recommendations. Explain key features, compare products, and help you decide which option best fits your needs. If you want more information about a specific product, simply ask follow-up questions. For example, is this product waterproof? Does it support fast charging? What do customers like most about it? Or what are the main differences between these two models? Alexa can summarize product details and customer feedback so you don't have to read hundreds of reviews yourself. You can also ask Alexa to help you find deals, check your previous orders, add items to your cart, save products for later, and even track prices on eligible products. In supported regions, Alexa can also help purchase products from other retailers using Amazon's Buy For Me feature. Here's a pro tip: be as specific as possible when asking your questions. Instead of searching for headphones, try asking, "Recommend the best noise-canceling headphones under $200 for travel." The more details you provide, the more personalized and accurate Alexa's recommendations will be. That's how you use Amazon AI Alexa for shopping on the Amazon website and app. It's a faster and more intelligent way to discover products, compare options, and make informed buying decisions using natural conversation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Amazon AI feature you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.